Oh, come on. Don't give up, man. Go on. Try again.
What for? He made it very clear he's not interested.
So, that's how they do it at Wondermatic, huh? Just because he called you a scumbag, you think he's not interested? You can't just give up on the first hurdle.
All right. I'll try. Good morning, sir. I think there was a problem with the line before. See? Oh, he's right. I'm just a scumbag.
I told you, he's a rude, belligerent old man.
You also said that he was easy to manipulate, but I can't even keep him on the line for more than 2 seconds. I can't make a sale like that.
I know how you feel, man. He only wants to talk to me if it's to threaten me or call me names.
Just like my boss, and my wife, even my kids.
Here, let me try.
Are you serious?
I'm always serious. Except when I find guys I can take advantage of. Then I just can't help lying.
I don't really know how to take that.
Oh, come on, give me the phone. You got nothing to lose.
Well, that's true enough. Here, do whatever you want.
Showtime.
Hello?
Is it true that you ate your entire family?
That was taken out of context. Goodbye.
He's acting in a very invasive way. Damn, Marconi.
I knew this would never work.
I'm sure I can do much better. Can I try again?
Sure, I got nothing to lose.
Showtime. Good morning, sir. Would you be interested in the purchase of a brand new set of Wondermatic products?
No.
He was very emphatic.
Thought so.
I'm sure I can do much better. Can I try again?
Sure, I got nothing to lose.
Showtime. Hello, Mr. Marconi? Would you be interested in buying a bunch of crap manufactured using some really obsolete technology?
I don't know how to help you. Unless you want to end up with a whole world of pain, I suggest you stop out. You filthy faggot.
Wow, he sounded really aggressive.
Well, that's what I expected.
I'm sure I can do much better. Can I try again?
Sure, I got nothing to lose.
Showtime. Are you still there in the hall waiting for me?
Is that you?
Yep, Hicks speaking. I sneaked out of the apartment and I still ain't got your money. How do you like that?
Is that so? Well, I know someone who's sleeping in the street tonight. Come Randal.
Oh, come on, Mr. Marconi. I was hoping you'd forgiven me by now. I mean, I'm appealing to your sense of common decency. But then, maybe now I'm figuring that you don't really have any, based on how you dress.
Do you think this is funny, Hicks? Well, good luck finding a roof over your head tonight.
I could say the same about your pot belly. In fact, I just did. Okay, look, he just started talking about kicking my ass. He'll be on that for a while now, so here. Just talk to him a little. It's not that hard.
Uh-huh. I understand. Uh-huh. I understand. Sure.
The world would be a much better place if scum like you would just disappear. You must think you're so
No can do, amigo. There's some kind of crust around the door that makes it impossible to open. I don't think so. If you find that logical, you should stop playing and go rest for a while. I would mess it all up. I can't use the razor with that. I don't think that's a good idea. No way. I need them to hold up my beloved Tolstoy books. Mortimer! Ah, screw him. I'd rather talk to people. Never thought I'd find a use for this crap. Just a box full of junk. I can't just talk to anything. That definitely doesn't make any sense. You know, I'd rather use the door.
Really? And if I get the deluxe set right now, you'll throw in...
Wonderful. Of course. Thank you for your kindness, sir. It was a real pleasure doing business with you, and don't worry, you won't regret going for the 3-pack deal. No, thank you. Have a nice day, sir. Bye-bye.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Did you see that? I sold him the basic set, the deluxe set, and even the classic set. I can't believe he fell for it. The last one is completely useless. Let's celebrate.
Maybe some other day, buddy. I got things to do. I mean, more important things.
At least let me give you something. I couldn't have done this without you.
I've always got time for free stuff. Although, is it poison? Because it wouldn't be the first time someone's offered me poison, and if it is, I don't want it.
No, it's not poison. Who do you think I am? Here. I hope this comes in handy.
Well, thanks, man. I'll see you around. Hammermatic 9000? Whatever will they think of next? I'm not gonna destroy a gum machine. There you go. Here are some rare, authentic pieces from the exclusive world of urban subculture. Legend says they're bathed in a mysterious aura.
Let's take a look at this pile of garbage.
Can I offer you a once-in-a-lifetime deal on this one-of-a-kind lava lamp? The lava is from Krakatoa and Vesuvius. Shaken, not stirred.
Sorry, I already have like 9 of those.
This is the trophy I won after beating a guy, whose name was 8-Ball by the way, in a pool game in Wisconsin. Oh, that was a tough one, let me tell you. It was without a doubt the most extreme experience I've ever had. Like a chess game that lasts for days. And believe me when I say that when we were done, we both got banned from Massachusetts for life.
You said the game was in Wisconsin.
It started in Wisconsin, but we ended up in Massachusetts. Just imagine the competitive skills that would require. There were betrayals, firearms, a high-speed ride on a train without brakes, and in the dying seconds of the game, we had to defuse a bomb on the pool table. It was definitely something to remember, all right?
Okay, man. But if you don't have any paperwork to back up your little story, then that's just a common 8-Ball.
This console is as good as new. Advanced North Korean technology. Very educational, but if you make a mistake, it shocks you. Careful though, all the questions are in Korean. First time I played, I was like the Indian in Cuckoo's Nest for 3 days. But believe me, those shocks really liven you up in the morning. Better than coffee, I'd say.
If I need something to help me liven up in the morning, I drink mercury cola.
Ever heard of Skelextric?
Unless that piece of track belonged to Lewis and Clark, don't even bother.
It sure did. Exploring is a taxing job. They used to play with it to break up the monotony.
Me? Wrong. Skelextric wasn't even discovered until 1846 in those ancient Aztec ruins. Keep trying, kid. Is that it? Don't you have an ace up your sleeve?
Did I mention with this pass you can ride around the whole city for free?
I'm sorry, but the only thing you have that's worth anything is that ring.
Couldn't you give me something for the lava lamp?
I guess I could give you something.
And what about for the Korean console? Maybe a little?
Maybe.
Then problem solved. Some money plus a little money equals a respectable sum of money, right?
That is true, kid. But consider this for a second. You said you needed a lot of money, and I can give you more than a lot of money for that ring.
Are you telling me I've just been wasting my time with all this crap?
See? You just said it's all crap. Now the ball is pretty much in your court. You decide.
Damn it, Hicks! I want my goddamn money, and I want it now!
That's too much. I can't sell the ring. What about Matt? He'd be devastated.
He'll never know, idiot! He doesn't even know you stole it in the first place.
No, it doesn't feel right.
Listen to me, pal. You better sell that freaking ring and pay me already, or I swear to Lucifer, I'll turn your life into a daily hell.
Come on, Randal. Don't let yourself be taken in by him. You know you can't do that to me. Even you have your limits.
Shut that trap, you sissy! The grown-ups are talking, and if you dare to come between me and my money, I will pierce your ass like a goddamn meatball!
Oh, heavens! That bastard has a pitchfork, and all they gave me was this harp. I demand a flaming sword!
Come on. There's no need to fight about it.
I will impale you and slowly roast you on a simmering heat, you filthy maggot!
Fucking hell! This motherfucker is serious! Randal, sell the fucking ring already. It's no big deal. It only cost me a Dorito. Give that damn bastard his fucking money and let's put a stop to this shit already.
Then I'll do it.
Are you one of those guys that whenever they have to make an important decision, they see little angels and demons?
Bingo. And I'm gonna do what the angel said. I'm selling the ring.
That same thing happens to me since I started drinking mercury cola. But I don't see angels, just demons. Creatures from hell that tell me to hurt people and to burn things. But don't worry, man. I'll learn to ignore them. Let's get back to business, shall we? I'm sure glad you wisened up, kid.